Se gustaba matemática, estaba aprender matemática, que se gusta matemática. Había ya tarde años había estudiado profesora de matemática.
Alicia and her cousin Griselda are 13 years old. They come from the indigenous community Dapi Ekui and belong to the ethnic Mbaya. Here, the children learn to read and write Spanish at the primary school. But after 6 years, they need to leave the community to continue their studies. And for the girls this is a dangerous step. Young women who migrate to the capital often face many hazards: poverty, drugs, child abuse, and sexual exploitation. For many years, urban migration has been a huge problem in these isolated communities. But Alicia and Griselda decided to face the challenge and continue their studies 200 miles from their home. The example they present to their community is one of the most notable results of the projects implemented by Plan Paraguay for more than 1,200 people in San Pedro. The project was carried out one step at a time. The first level was to rescue their culture, values and spiritual principles. This was achieved through workshops, and especially through meetings, allowing them to stay together with each other and achieve welfare of children in their communities. The meetings were held at different age levels, following appropriate variants for each level. With children in particular, Sasito model was applied, adjusted to the culture of the ethnic groups affected. The workshops put a strong emphasis on the promotion of food security. This resulted in a productive environment where indigenous people, together with Plan's technical assistance, could deliver quality seeds, natural, non-genetically modified.
Mantener calidad de vida la comunidad de estoy comprando todos los que ponen todos los que tienen vivienda digna que los copona vea si como líder upea ya esa de para que todos esa estudiar la semita escuela veo ya que todos esa están baero ya poco a ver entender vea yo convenio a ver la plan de escuela veo ese alguna posibilidad al escuela ya para que todos esa estudiar algunos que me está cuñando upea lo pibe a ver lo reunir la comunidad wandi o decía veis se escuela o aprobar idea entre plan mi idea.
Focused implementations with workshops and meetings resulted not only in food security, but also other basic rights, such as access to education, equal opportunities, and especially, preventing the urban migration, or mitigating the effects on those who migrated, and reinserted into the communities. In addition to positive influences, the greatest achievement of this project is that these two girls now have access to higher education. This was until now only available to some men of affected populations. Standards of child protection became one of the principal axes of this project. To first create space where children could talk about their concerns and rights, respect extended to them and their parents or guardians. A community framework for the protection of children. This is a huge step. And hopefully, Alicia and Griselda will create a new path for other young women in the future.
Hermanos, ser primo y fuera, aprender a